Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Céline Dion. What a great artist. Not just her voice, everything is great with her. And she performs Bonjour, Pardon, Merci. And even if you're not Frenchy, I think you understand what that means. Hello, sorry, thank you. So yeah, we're gonna look into this song. Cape on third, absolute best scenario. With that, we have like 6 chords, I believe, and easy chords with cape on third. So put that on there. Let's go through this song together in the chords. Before we do that, I want to highlight my new channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Why? Because we have old classics at that channel from back in like 50s or 60s to recent time, and you're gonna have playing a full song there. I have a full playthrough of songs, and you're gonna follow the chords on screen. You're gonna just listen to me. I'm playing, not speaking at all, and that's a great way to learn a full song from A to Z. So go and check out my channel, Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. Now let's focus on Celine. And with the cape on third, we have A minor to start with. You're gonna play open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be G. And that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. C next. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the F, which is a bar chord. Index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. And then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have D minor as well. Open D, second G, third B, first E, and finally we have the E. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we gonna keep this simple, guys. It's not played exactly in the way I'm gonna teach you, but the way I'm gonna teach you is to have the right timing on switching chords. Then when you understand that, you can do it in your own way. You can play some pickings from the chord or just play one down or so from the chord. But for you to understand when it's time to switch chord, which is the most important thing, then we're going to use this strumming pattern I'm going to show you right now. And that is about 4 down. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, like this, you're going to play. That is 1 strumming around. So 4 downs like that, and we have a split after 2. So the first 2 downs will be part 1, and that's it, okay? So let's start this first verse with A minor, part 1. So just 2 downs, like this. Then the G, part 1. And then C, part 1. Then F, part 1. Then D minor, part 1. Then E, 1 full round, so 4 downs. And A minor, part 1. And that is 1 chord progression around. You're going to play for 2 rounds. So when you listen to the song, you're going to hear that she pretty much play 1 down, or they play 1 down, because we don't have that tension yet in the song. It's just in the beginning. So basically just like this. Just 1 down, but the length of, or let's say the timing of switching chords, will be the value of 2 downs, because later on you're gonna see it will be needed to understand this. So still have that with you. Only 1 down if you want to, but the length of it is, the value is 2 downs here. So 1 round without me speaking goes like this. All right, so 2 rounds of that, and then we're gonna come into this pre-chorus part at 31 seconds in. And yes, what you're gonna play now is 1 full round of the following chords: F, G, D minor, and then you're gonna play E2. So 2 full rounds of that E in the end there, and that's it. So again, the length of that E is 2, but they're not playing like full action of this kind of strumming. The length with the pause and everything is the 2, okay? Now, after that, you're gonna come to this chorus part where she sings Bonjour, Pardon, Merci. It's about 41 seconds in. So you have two halves, so to speak. The first half goes A minor, part 1, G, part 1, C, 1 full round, F, 1 full round, and G, 1 full round. Let's start with that first. So... and the second half goes A minor part 1, G part 1, C 1 full round, then D minor 1 full round, and E 1 full round. So the end there is a little bit different. So A minor, G, C, D minor, and E. All right, so that is the first course, and we finalized the first round. Now, into the second round of everything, it's just repetition. The only difference here will be in the second course, because we played one round of the both halves, so half 1 and half 2, so to speak. That's what we play for the first course. You're going to play the same, but you're going to play for 2 rounds. So the first half, second half. And then you're going to start over again and play that for another round. First half and second half. If that makes sense. And that is the second course. After that comes the bridge part at 1 minute and 54 seconds in. What you're going to play here is one round of the verse play. So A minor, G, C, F, D minor, E, and A minor. And after that, you're going to play A minor part 1, G part 1, C 1 full round, D minor 1 full round, and E 1 full round. So verse play and then this. So basically the second half of the chorus is what you're going to end with in this bridge. And after that, you're going to go over to the third chorus and play that in the exact same way as the second chorus, the longer version. So one round of that third chorus. And then you have the outro part left, guys. And it starts about 2 minutes and 43 seconds in. You're going to play A minor part 1, G part 1, C 1 full round. Then F part 1, G part 1, and A minor 1 full round. Play that for almost 2 rounds. And what I mean with almost is when you come to the second round and play that last chord of A minor, you play the G with a pause, and then you just play 1 down on that A minor. So it goes like this, the second round. And that, my friends, is how I handle Céline Dion's Bonjour, Pardon, Merci. Wonderful song, guys. If you love Celine, this is very Dionish in the sense that you recognize her voice, the kind of musical type song. Yeah, everything is like Céline Dion in this song one. So give it a shot. Works on guitar. So have a nice one and play tuned.